Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about a bird that has mastered flying with silence and can rotate its head to 270 degrees. Some of you may be afraid of owls. You might have heard that they are witches' familiars, or that they bring bad luck. But regardless of what people say, owls are interesting animals with unique traits that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. And today we will discuss some scary psychological owl facts you probably didn't know. So watch this video till the end to find out more about these fascinating creatures. Before we start, please like and subscribe to the channel. This encourages us to keep making such videos for you. Now let's begin. Number 1. Owls can see better than you. Owls have excellent eyesight, even better than most birds and land animals. They can easily spot prey from a great distance thanks to their specialized eyes. But how exactly do their eyes work? First, the shape of their eye sockets helps gather and focus light. Second, their eyes have more rod cells than cone cells. Rod cells help animals see in low light conditions, while cone cells enable color vision and work best in bright light. That means when there is little to no light around them, they can still see pretty well. On the other hand, humans have many cone cells, and only a small number of rod cells. Therefore, we need good lighting to see properly and clearly. In other words, if you want to play hide and seek with an owl, you won't win. Their eyes are just too good at seeing in low light conditions. No. 2. They hear better than you. Owls' hearing is exceptional, but how exactly do they use it? Well, it depends on the species. Some have asymmetrical ears, meaning each ear is positioned differently on their head. This allows them to determine the exact location of sounds. When you hear a sound, signals are sent to your brain from both ears. The brain then compares the signals and calculates where the sound is coming from. However, in some cases, owls can hear even the tiniest rustlings and distinguish between the sounds made by different animals. Scientists believe that their asymmetrical ears allow them to hear better. Also, owls have more hair around their ears than most birds. This could be because the feathers near their ears act as a shield, protecting them from loud noises. Additionally, they can move these feathers to enhance their hearing. Interestingly, owls can rotate their ears vertically. Most birds can only rotate their ears horizontally, so the next time you think you're good at spotting animals by their footprints, remember that owls can sneak up on you without making a sound. 3. Owls are solitary creatures. Most owls live alone and only come together during mating season. They prefer to hunt and roost alone, although young owls stay with their parents until it's time to find a mate. During mating season, male and female owls take turns incubating their eggs and caring for their young. But once that's over, they go back to living separately until it's time to mate again. Owls are generally silent animals, but they do communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations. For example, male owls often call out to attract a mate. These calls can travel long distances and can be heard by potential mates. Once a pair has been established, owls may also communicate with each other using a variety of soft vocalizations. These may be used to keep track of each other while hunting, or to greet each other when they meet up after a period of time apart. Overall, owls are pretty private creatures and don't interact with each other much outside of mating season. 4. They are incredibly intelligent. The average IQ of owls is between 80 and 120. To put that into perspective, the average human IQ is around 100, so that makes owls smarter than most people. Because of their intelligence, owls are capable of solving complex problems and learning new things quickly. This allows them to adapt to new situations and environments easily, and this intelligence is what helps them survive in the wild. Owls are predators, and they need to be smart in order to catch their prey. They also need to be aware of their surroundings in order to avoid being seen by their prey, and they need to be able to fly silently in order to get close enough to their prey to strike. Thanks to their intelligence, owls are perfectly adapted for life in the wild. They're smart enough to survive, but not so smart that they become cocky and careless. It's a perfect balance. Number 5. Owls can turn their heads almost 360 degrees. Owls are known for their ability to rotate their heads almost 360 degrees. This is due to the flexibility of their neck vertebrae, which allow them to look in almost any direction. There are several advantages to having this ability. First, it allows owls to see predators and potential prey from almost any angle. This is especially useful when hunting, as owls can sneak up on their prey without being seen. Second, it allows owls to communicate with each other more easily. By being able to turn their heads towards each other, owls can see each other's facial expressions and body language more clearly. This can help to strengthen their bonds with other owls, and also help them to coordinate their activities when hunting or raising young. Finally, it just looks really cool. Being able to rotate your head almost 360 degrees is a pretty impressive feat, and it definitely sets owls apart from other birds. Number 6. They are super fast. Owls are known for their incredible speed, especially when it comes to flying. They can reach top speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest birds in the world. This speed is thanks to their large wings, which allow them to cover a lot of ground with each flap. But they aren't just fast flyers. They're also incredibly quick and agile when it comes to hunting. Their sharp talons and powerful beaks allow them to take down prey quickly and efficiently, and their keen eyesight and hearing help them locate their prey from far away. In fact, some species of owls can see prey as small as a mouse from up to 100 feet away. No wonder they're considered to be such efficient hunters. 7. Their feathers are softer than yours. The feathers of owls are softer than those of most other birds, which serves a purpose. You see, owls often sleep during the day, and their soft feathers help them camouflage into their surroundings. This makes it difficult for predators to spot them, and it also helps them keep warm. Additionally, their feathers help muffle the sound of their wings when they fly, which is important for stealthy hunting. Not only are their feathers softer than other birds, but they also have a special structure that helps them fly silently. The leading edge of each feather has a comb-like structure that breaks up the air as the bird flies, reducing noise. Additionally, the feathers on their legs and feet help absorb sound, further reducing the noise they make while walking or perching. Number 8. Owls kill more rodents than any other predator. Owls are widely known for their rodent-killing abilities. They're such efficient hunters that they kill more rodents than any other predator, including snakes and foxes. Owls typically eat small rodents like mice and voles, but they'll also eat larger prey like rabbits and squirrels. In fact, an owl's diet consists of about 90% rodents. Owls are able to kill so many rodents because they're fast, agile, and have sharp talons and beaks. They're also very stealthy, which allows them to sneak up on their prey. Number 9. Owls can live anywhere except Antarctica. There are over 200 species of owls found across the globe, and they can be found in a variety of habitats, from forests and grasslands to deserts and even cities. Some owls, such as the snowy owl, can live in cold climates, while others, such as the burrowing owl, prefer warmer temperatures. Owls are so adaptable because they're able to prey on a variety of animals, and they're also able to nest in a variety of places. They've even been known to nest in tree cavities, on the ground, and in abandoned buildings. In short, owls are able to live just about anywhere, which is part of what makes them such successful predators. Number 10. Owls regurgitate pellets. Owls swallow their prey whole, and the bones, fur, and feathers are left over. This material is not digestible, so owls regurgitate it in the form of pellets. The process of regurgitating pellets is not entirely understood, but it's thought that owls use their strong stomach muscles to push the pellets out of their mouths. Owls typically regurgitate pellets 1 to 3 hours after eating. The pellets are usually cylindrical in shape and can be up to 2 inches long. While it may seem gross to us, regurgitating pellets is actually a necessary part of an owl's digestive process. Number 11. An owl's tongue has backward barbs. The tongue of an owl is covered with backward-pointing barbs that help hold on to slippery prey as it is eaten. The barbs also help to scrape meat off of bones, making the owl even more efficient when hunting. Additionally, the owl's tongue is coated with saliva, which helps to break down the prey skin and make it easier to swallow. This adaptation allows the owl to eat a variety of prey, including snakes, mice, and other small animals. The owl's tongue is truly a remarkable adaptation that helps make them such successful predators. Number 12. Owls often replace their prey. Owls often replace their prey, meaning they will kill more animals than they can eat. This is because owls need to consume a large amount of food to meet their energy needs. By killing more prey than they need, owls can store their food for later consumption. When prey is scarce, owls can survive by eating their stored prey. This behavior is particularly common in species of owls that live in areas where prey is unpredictable, such as the northern spotted owl. By killing and storing extra prey, these owls are able to survive lean times when food is hard to come by. This behavior is an example of how owls are highly adaptable and efficient predators. These were just a few of the amazing owl facts that you may not have known before. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures and encourage you to share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.